What's good, guys? Welcome back to Alfa Romeo Lakewood here in Florida, and I need you to listen to the sound of this 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio done in beautiful Verde Fangio green paint. Now, twin turbo, Ferrari derived V6 2.9 liter, which pumps out 505 horses and gives us a top speed of 191 miles per hour. Now, with that said, the exhaust note is crazy in race mode, which is going to give you the most throttle and the most sound. And you're going to hear it here today with the digital tach right there in race mode and the Quadrifoglio cloverleaf. Let's hear how this thing has the sound.